and vloggers, Davao Networking Night. So, we're supposed to start our program at exactly 7:30. The 7 o'clock to 7:30 is the portion where you introduce yourselves. So, kaya wireless ko. Papasa-pasa to. So, I hope that you take this opportunity to tell something interesting about yourself, especially yung mga single pa. Walang bilang ano yata, parang naiba yata. Anyway,
actually, aalis na ako.
I'll just give you an idea what will happen after your introduction. We're gonna go through immediately to what I'm going to present. Pagcor will also show something. All of that will be no less than, or no more than 30 minutes. And then we will have a live band play for you. And then we will also have games. Later on, for those of you who are interested to play games, i-announce mamaya yung games and then may interesting prizes for those of you who want to take part in it. And all of these are just, how we call it, highlights of the networking. So, our networking activity for tonight is really all about just getting to know each other and being part of all. And hopefully, we'll be able to do this for all the future. So, let's start with the introduction. Since sila yung pinaka-huling lumatay na, kaya gusto ko ngayon na, we'll focus on this table and then pass it natin.
Hi, good evening. I'm Honey Royo. Yes,